Now, in addition to the actually the insert, I basically want to talk about one more function which we go and use, right? Which is append. Now, what is the difference between append method and uh, the insert? See, in the insert you can target some specific position, but if you try to use the append over here, you see that we don't have that the parameter which we see in the insert, which is the position parameter, right? It is just simply say that object. So whatever you actually want to append, that will always go and gets appended in the list at the end of the list. Okay, so this is a very small point, but I wanted to actually clarify this. So if I go and run this, you see that we will have a list which now will show you the maths in the end, right? And as I said that append is the difference between the insert and the append is that in the insert you can target the specific position. You can insert the value anywhere, 0th position, first position, second position. But when you use the append, you don't have that parameter. Even if you try to use that, if you say that okay 0 comma, you will get the error. Okay, if you try to run this will give you the error because I showed you that in the append there is only one argument, and this prompt also says. So whenever I teach any programming language, Python, VBA, Access, or Power Query, MCode, I always say to my students that errors always are your friends. Okay, once you know that what the error actually means, you will be a very good programmer, very very good programmer, and in the very very shortest time, because reading the errors is itself an art. Okay, so once you read the error, you know that what exactly has happened. So this clearly says that this takes one argument. Okay, though in the append function itself, when you start the append, nowhere it mentions the two parameters. Anyways, so let's just go and run this. And so now we know that insert, append, and change, and now also slice and dice.